Hello and welcome everybody. Mullen is stock on 27 November. Let's see that step by step with easy price prediction explained. If you are new to this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's go for this prediction. So according to what we want to see is going to be for trading for us, that is going to be 1 day update. If you wanted to go for the thing that is going to be applicable for 27 November, is going to be to referring to us that it's such a thing that is happiness our life and we should take care about. So according to what we see right now, this is going to be here and here, and this is going to be such a great intersection that we should notice. Okay, and here is going to be also great intersection. Maybe if we see that the intersection would result for us on Mullen stock in 1 week update for this intersection, and this is going to be referring to the straight lines that happiness in this form. And I think it's going to be also one of the things that can be cared about more in stock nowadays, because it's happiness for every stock. If they have the same manner that moves on the same time, that is going to be on this model. Okay, hope you benefit from what we have explained on this video, and good luck in another episode.